Boudreaux walks into my shop and he says my boat motor runs just like my ex-wife. It starts with a bang and then quits when you need it most. That's funny, Shy, till it happens to you out on the water. Listen up. Today I got 3 things for you. Number 1, your outboard motor is lying to you. Number 2, I got a $20 lie detector tool that's going to catch it in the act. And number 3, by the time this video is over, you're going to know exactly which cylinder is the guilty party. When your vintage outboard motor is coughing, spitting, banging, cutting in and out, could be the carburetor, could be bad fuel, could be a lot of things. But today, I'm going to give you a $20, $30 tool you can get at AutoZone or any parts house that's going to show you exactly where that trouble could be. And you'll be surprised, it could be in one of your cylinders sparking. Stick with me, because we're about to interrogate this Outboard outboard motor and make it confess. So this motor runs good, but it spits and it coughs, and then it'll just hesitate, and then go again. So I'm guessing it is a spark problem on one cylinder, not firing, causing it to run on one cylinder. If not, it could be a carburetor issue with a clogged jet, but I'm guessing that it's going to be spark. So I'm going to show you how to test for a missing spark with a timing light, like an automotive timing light. It's very inexpensive at NAPA or AutoZone or on eBay, $20, $30. I have it connected to 12 volts on my lawnmower battery right here so that I can check, and you just take the other end of it and put it on one spark plug lead at a time, and then shoot the light on the flywheel. And when it starts to mist, if you see the light going away, that's the side that's not putting out the spark. So if you're ready, here we go. See if I can get her started. So the smoking is an indication that it's not firing on both cylinders, because it can't burn the oil and the gas, so it's smoking, excessive smoke. So I'm going to shoot the cylinders one at a time, see if I can see a difference. I don't know if you can see the light, but it's pretty steady. It's not missing very often. Bottom cylinder. Now I'm going to shoot the top. I don't know if you can see it or not. I'll try to get you up closer, but this is the side that has the trouble. Top cylinder. Misses, the light gets dim, not as bright, and it pulses. You can see it. You can see it pulsing when it's spinning. See, the light got bright right there because it's running good. When it starts to run bad, the light goes dim and it starts to spit. As the engine spits, the light is intermittent. So the trouble is with the spark in the top cylinder. I'm going to fix that trouble and then add to this video, show you how it's running good, and I'll find out what the problem is. Stay tuned. So I took the magneto, exposed magneto by taking off the rewind starter and the flywheel, and I looked at the settings for the points. The timing was right, and all I did was clean with a contact file and some fine sandpaper. Clean the points on actually both sides, and guess what? This is what I saw when I ran the timing light again. 1960 5.5 horsepower Evinrude test run in Lake Martin. And that, my friends, is what I call a confession. Not a new magneto, not expensive calls, not a high expensive bill from a marina that doesn't know what they're doing. A simple tool, the timing light, to diagnose your problems and make that 5.5 horsepower Evinrude purr like a kitten, taking it out on Lake Martin and making it cruise like brand new. So here's what I need you to walk away with. Don't guess, interrogate. If you think you've got good compression, you think you've got good spark, and you think you've got good fuel, take the timing light and check the spark to make sure you got that bright light, steady light that'll take all the spark issues out of your mind. I hope this video will help you in the future. If it did, go down in the comment section and let me know how the timing light saved you lots of time. So I hope you liked it. If you did, like the video, don't forget to subscribe and check out this next YouTube video. It's the right one for you. Don't forget T Mike University for your master degrees, and don't forget, save the hobby. Our mission is to save the hobby. See y'all next video.